Here we come to the elevator at the north parking garage at Fantech Stadium, Fantech City. Thyssenkrupp elevator. This garage is only 3 floors, so that's why there's only 1 elevator. This is the newest parking garage here. This elevator was installed by Thyssenkrupp. Let's go down to the blue level. Lower level of the parking garage. Here we are at blue, which is the lower level. Let's go up to the red level, which is floor 2. Very short parking garage. This is the shortest one here at Fantech Stadium. The elevator is also fast, so that's why you only need 1 elevator here, and it lifts up to 4,000 pounds. Let's go back down to 1, which is the green level. Look at where the star is. That's interesting. And that's it.